And his feet. Oh, look, what's that? That's his belly button. That'll fall off. But we can't touch it. We have to be really careful. Okay?
Why?
Well, yeah, be gentle. What are these? What are these? What's this?
Down.
Oh, put his shirt down. Oh, what's he doing? He's crying, but he's okay. I think Mommy's gonna have to feed him here pretty soon.
Oh no, imagine.
That's giving Mommy stuff into her arm. Do you want to hold his fingers? Oh.
Don't cry.
Don't cry, Asher.
Say, don't cry, baby Asher.
It's okay if he cries, though. It means he's hungry. Okay? Look at his lips. He's got your little lips. Do you want to put your finger there so we can hold your finger? No, okay. Do you see his legs? Oh, buddy. He don't cry. We have to cover him up and keep him warm. Okay? Do you want to give him a kiss?